As we grow older, our bodies start to whisper what they once shouted. Simple things like climbing stairs, lifting groceries, or even standing for long periods can start to feel a little harder. One of the biggest reasons for this is the natural loss of muscle mass that comes with age, a condition called SARC. But here's the good news. Your breakfast can play a huge role in protecting your muscles, keeping you strong, and giving you lasting energy throughout the day. Today, we re-exploring the 7 best breakfasts for seniors with weak muscles, and we'll also uncover a few common breakfast foods that silently damage aging bodies. Let's start with an important truth. Breakfast isn't just about filling your stomach, it's about fueling your cells, feeding your muscles, and jump-starting your metabolism for the day ahead. Studies show that older adults who consume a protein-rich breakfast maintain stronger muscles, better balance, and more energy compared to those who skip it or eat sugary options. So, what should your plate look like? Let's begin with number 1, eggs. Eggs are a powerhouse for aging muscles. They're packed with high-quality protein, vitamin D, and choline nutrients that support muscle repair and nerve function. One large egg has about 6 grams of protein, and the amino acids in eggs are easily absorbed by the body. Scramble them with spinach, mushrooms, or a sprinkle of cheese for an even greater nutrient boost. If you're worried about cholesterol, research now shows that 1 egg a day is perfectly safe for most older adults and may even improve your HDL, or good cholesterol. Number 2, Greek yogurt with nuts and berries. Greek yogurt contains twice as much protein as regular yogurt, making it a fantastic choice for building and maintaining lean muscle. The probiotics in yogurt also support gut health, which becomes more important as we age since digestion slows down. Adding nuts like almonds or walnuts provides healthy fats and magnesium nutrients that help muscles contract properly, while berries add antioxidants that reduce inflammation. This combination is creamy, crunchy, and incredibly satisfying without the sugar overload of many store-bought cereals. That brings us to number 3, oatmeal with milk and seeds. Oats are rich in complex carbohydrates that provide steady energy, and when made with milk instead of water, they also deliver calcium and protein. Toss in a tablespoon of chia seeds or flax seeds, and you'll get omega-3 fatty acids that protect your heart and joints. This is a gentle, heartwarming breakfast that supports muscle recovery while keeping you full until lunch. But here's a tip: avoid those instant oatmeal packets loaded with added sugar and artificial flavors. Choose plain rolled oats or steel-cut oats and sweeten them naturally with a bit of honey or fresh fruit. Number 4 on our list, cottage cheese with fruit. Cottage cheese is one of the most underrated muscle foods. It's high in casein protein, which digests slowly and helps preserve muscle tissue, especially if you eat it in the morning or even before bed. Pair it with sliced peaches, pineapple, or a handful of berries, and you've got a delicious combination of protein, calcium, and vitamin C. This is perfect for seniors who prefer a light but nourishing breakfast that doesn't weigh them down. Number 5, whole grain toast with avocado and smoked salmon. This breakfast brings together fiber, healthy fats, and high-quality protein. Avocados are rich in potassium and antioxidants that reduce muscle cramps and inflammation, while salmon provides omega-3 South and vitamin D, both essential for muscle strength and bone health. Together, they make a savory, filling meal that supports the heart, joints, and brain. If you don't eat fish, you can swap salmon for a boiled egg or cottage cheese for a similar benefit. Moving to number 6, a smoothie packed with greens and protein. Many seniors find it difficult to chew large portions or eat early in the day, and smoothies can be a wonderful alternative. Blend together milk or unsweetened almond milk, spinach, banana, Greek yogurt, and a scoop of protein powder or peanut butter. This combination provides vitamins, minerals, and easily digestible protein to fuel your muscles. You can even add oats or chia seeds for extra fiber. Smoothies are quick, easy, and ideal for those with reduced appetite or dental issues. And finally, number 7, a vegetable omelette with beans or lentils. This might sound unusual for breakfast, but beans and lentils are excellent sources of plant-based protein and fiber. Combine them with eggs and your favorite vegetables, maybe bell peppers, onions, or tomatoes, and you've got a colorful, hearty meal that fights muscle loss while keeping blood sugar stable. The extra fiber helps digestion and can lower cholesterol. Now that we've talked about what to eat, let us quickly look at what to avoid. The common breakfast foods that silently harm aging bodies. The first culprit, sugary cereals. They may look healthy on the box, but most are loaded with refined sugar that spikes your blood sugar and increases inflammation, which can worsen muscle weakness and fatigue. Choose high-fiber cereals or plain oats instead. Next, processed meats like sausages and bacon. While they're tasty, they're also high in saturated fat and sodium, which can strain your heart and kidneys over time. If you love the flavor, try lean turkey slices or grilled chicken as a healthier protein option. And finally, pastries, donuts, and white bread. These refined carbs quickly turn into sugar in the body and offer almost no nutrients for your muscles. They can cause energy crashes, weight gain, and even insulin resistance, all of which make it harder to stay active and strong. Swap them for whole grain bread, oatmeal, or protein-based breakfasts instead. Remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Even small changes to your breakfast routine can make a big difference in how your muscles feel and function. Think of your morning meal as the first step toward stronger, steadier days ahead. To wrap up, strong muscles aren't just built in the gym, they're built in the kitchen, too. Choosing foods rich in protein, vitamins, and healthy fats helps preserve your independence, balance, and vitality as you age. So tomorrow morning, instead of grabbing a sugary cereal or skipping breakfast altogether, try one of these 7 muscle-supporting meals. Your body and your future self will thank you. And if you found this helpful, remember to give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who could use a healthy start, and subscribe for more easy wellness tips to help you stay strong, energetic, and confident at every age.